Today we're going to be making candy corn popcorn. We're going to be making candy corn popcorn. And what we have here is our colored sugar, which we colored with orange food coloring. We have our yellow sugar, which we colored with yellow food coloring. We have our corn oil. We have our regular sugar for our white kettle corn. We have our corn. And we're also going to be using this candy corn flavored syrup. This is just something we picked up at Walmart, and we're going to use this as kind of a flavoring. If you don't have this, you can use vanilla extract. Try to use a high quality vanilla extract because candy corn does taste like vanilla. But we're going to use this, and we're going to put this in right around the same time we put in our sugar. So we're going to do that for each of our batches. If you're making this with vanilla extract, put in the vanilla extract at the time you put in the sugar, at the same exact time that we're going to add this syrup. Remember to check the description down below for all the links of the products that we're using here today.
Let's get popping.
All right, we're going to be making our first batch, which is going to be plain kettle corn with candy corn syrup. So here we go with the corn oil, 3/4 of a cup, and 1.5 cups of corn. Starting to pop now. All right, we'll put a little sea salt on there. Let's get started on our next color. All right, next we're gonna be making the yellow part of the candy corn. This time, instead of using corn oil, we're gonna be using this butter coconut oil. That'll give this candy corn a nice little butter flavor. 1.5 cups of corn. 1/2 cup of syrup, and our 1 cup, actually 3/4 of a cup of yellow sugar. Just a reminder that the recipe for this is down in the description. You can smell that vanilla coming off of that syrup. It smells really good. There we go, we got the nice yellow candy corn. We'll hit it with a little sea salt. Let it cool down. So we got our white kettle corn, our yellow kettle corn, and next we're going to be making orange. 1/4 of a cup of our butter coconut. Okay, we're starting to pop there. What we're going to do is we're going to add our 1/2 cup of candy corn syrup, 1/4 cup of orange sugar. All right, there we have our orange kettle corn, our white kettle corn, and our yellow kettle corn. It's looking just like candy corn. We have candy corn popcorn. Give it a try and see how it tastes. So get a little piece of each of them. And again, what we did was we used that butter coconut oil because of that vanilla buttery flavor. So let's give it a try and see how that worked out. You can really taste the little bit of salt, which is perfect. It really counteracts that sweetness, and that butter flavor just sets off the whole thing. So kettle corn with butter is just an awesome, awesome thing. So here we have it. We have our yellow, our orange, and our white in these cone-shaped bags. So it looks like a candy corn, just like that. Pretty cool. And this popcorn tastes fantastic. This is a great Halloween treat, so get popping.